Well, my parts come in yesterday, so now I'm gonna start this little project. I ordered these pieces right here. Someone had cut this out. I done this, put in new metal. Somebody had cut this out, I guess to get the motor out of it. I don't know. So I ordered new ones. I'm gonna try to put them in today, both sides, and we'll see how that goes. Well, I got that one out. All I gotta do now is dry and clean up, get ready to weld the other one in. Okay, I got that one in. I gotta bend this out a little bit to make it fit right, I think. And then I gotta put a good layer of some kind of undercoating or something in here to try to slow it rust down. Now, I guess it's time to start on this one. Well, got them in. Got just a layer of paint on it. I ain't got it what I want to do. I ain't got it undercoated yet. Got the rubber in it. New rubbers. All I'm going to do is get the motor back in it. Then I'll come back in here and put these side panels, this board back on it, and undercoat it good and stuff. Well, getting ready to set the motor back in her. Well, that's pretty well it for today. Got the motor back in it. The motor was a tight fit. Well, y'all can see up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I had to bend some of the body to get that motor in. That's a dual port motor. It's a lot later model motor than what belongs in this car. But it's in there. I guess tomorrow I'll tighten everything up, check everything good. We might try to crank it tomorrow. We'll see how that goes.